Hey guys, this is part 2 of video 1, and I'm holding this bird right now because when he was struggling around, he was bleeding, so I'm just holding him right now. Hopefully he will live, but he is wounded right down there somewhere because he was bleeding, and I'm hoping that it's not internal because that could be very bad. It was a lower wound. It looks like a BB shot or a pellet, but probably a BB. But we found him struggling around over there, that funeral home, the white garage way over there. That's David, who's getting some bird seeds. Bring it down here and show me. Alright, put it on the ground over here. Alright, good.
Oh god, it's Matthew, the one trying to spread it.
Now we have them wrapped up, and I'm working very gently with them. Oh, he's struggling. Alright, gotta calm down, buddy. Calm down, calm down.
Calm down.
Alright, he's calm again. You're gonna have to film this. Put it around your wrist.
Oh my god.
Here we go. Crap.
Don't struggle. Wish we also have worms with us.
Bring the camera over this.
1 minute 43 seconds.
Follow it. Come on. All this footage. No. David, this is real.
I'm sorry.
Walk slowly. Keep the camera on him. Stop struggling. Stop struggling.
Stop struggling. Quit struggling. That's where I got the bird seed. 2 minutes 15 seconds.
Alright.
This is the real deal, ladies and gentlemen. The real deal. Isn't that right, Matt?
That is correct. We do have a bird injury.
That we found all the way over there.
While working with the dogs, which you'll later see. I'm posting videos of. Alright, let's
This
go.
is the real thing, ladies and gentlemen. The real thing. Oh my god. This is the first bird we ever saw injured. Well, not exactly.
Come get footage of him.
Oh my god. 3 minutes, 15 seconds.
Okay, get the footage. You're not getting it.
He doesn't look camera shy.
No, but now he's a movie star.
Famous. Uh-oh, he's struggling.
No, he's eating his.
I was just gonna pet him.
Keep the camera on him. Alright, turn it off. Alright, we'll tune you in again.
Bye-bye.